Schuil and Associates built its name throughout the country, one relationship at a time. We strive to be the most informed, active, and trusted agriculture real estate team in the country. And we've made it easy for you to stay informed on agricultural properties for sale. To start, download our app on either Google Play or the Apple Store. Here, you can search for specific properties or filter by including your requirements. View the property's details and download a brochure to get all the information. View the property's pictures, videos, maps, and more. You can share your favorite properties by just clicking a button. With notifications, you'll be the first to know of any price changes or new listings. If you need assistance, reach us directly from the app. With an app this easy to use, you'll always be up to date on the best agricultural properties for sale. With thousands of acres of farm and dairy property sold, we've proven that we are a one-of-a-kind team. Download the Schuil app today and browse numerous listings throughout the country.